Good morning, this is Digitron 2-second lean. These are a few improvements I have made to my cell. First, I have created a limb bin rack and attached it to the side of my cell. These bins are located all over my cell, which bugged me when it came to finding them. So, by implementing this improvement, I have reduced my range of motion and eliminated waiting time, as the products aren't waiting for me to find the items. The second improvement I have made is laminating and sticking the most frequent pressure inputs onto my cell, so I no longer need to look through the files to find them. This eliminates overprocessing, waiting time and transportation, as these files are stored away from my cell. The third and final improvement I have made. I have now placed the first page of the manual onto the front of the limb bin, so I can visually see which manuals are in which bin. This saves me time from looking for the required manual. This also eliminates defects to prevent me from picking the wrong one. I have also moved these limb bins closer to my cell to increase the productivity. Thank you for watching.